Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Today we are having another cooking show. You remember the last one, cooking with Chef Rayane?
Hey guys, my name is Amir, aka Chef Rayane. I'm from Benin Republic.
Okay, so Amir, what are you cooking for us today?
I'm cooking riz Creole.
That is Creole rice.
Yeah,
right?
Creole rice.
Yes, we have something special, but with the same chef. Ladies and gentlemen, Chef Rayane.
Today we are making puff puff, a traditional African snack.
So here we have 500 gram of flour, 20 gram of yeast, 300 gram of sugar. Okay, we take 20 gram of yeast, we add a little bit of hot water, then we mix. So we add the yeast to the sugar. The yeast and the sugar in our flour. So we cover it and we leave it to rest for 90 minutes.
Hey guys, come and see wonders. Guys, that's reason. It's roast, it's rice. Guys, now we are about to fry. Let's do this pop off. So guys, I want to try, how to put it in. Do it. It's not easy. I have to leave it for the chef to do it. Come and see how beautiful he made it. Guys, our puff is coming out. Beautiful. Oh, look at it. Guys, this looks really beautiful. Thank you so much, Chef Rayane. Thanks so much. Now we're about to try it. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, you first. Guys, this is really good. I'm so grateful. Now you teach me how to make this because I have to make it a lot. I love puff, guys. I really love it. I mean, I wish I could give you guys, but sorry, the fire away. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you share, subscribe, and try this at home actually, you know. Chef Rayane, I will be going with this one, okay?